I'm really hungry.
You know, it sounds really good right now.
What?
Like Vietnamese soup.
Let me look up the recipe.
Does that sound good? That sounds really good, huh?
Alright. So we're gonna need
chicken, rice noodles, onions, chili peppers, lime.
bean sprouts, Thai basil leaves, and cilantro and lime.
Sounds
Let's go
really
do
good.
this.
Alright, let's go do this. Alright guys, so far I boiled some water with nutmeg and cinnamon and other spices.
We're Savannah and Crystal. We need the other ingredients.
We're back! Oh hey guys, what did you get?
We got the ingredients. So you boiled the water.
Yeah.
So first let's add some onions. And
Chicken.
the green things, I don't know.
Parsley.
Parsley.
We have parsley.
And then we have like a whole mess of chicken.
That's really good.
And then we have the rice noodles. So far, this is what it looks like, and it's been boiling for a while. So we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients.
We're gonna add first some basil.
Now we're putting in some bean sprouts and some lime.
We're also gonna add jalapeno.
Oh, you're supposed to squeeze it, huh? And then
Actually, chili.
that's delicious, guys.
So people use chopsticks to eat this, and it's really, really good.
That looks even more.
No. It just shows the bed.
Yeah. I guess.
Okay.
Yes.
Cinnamon and oh my god.
Let's see what we're gonna say.
Oh yeah, practice.
Say what we're gonna say.
Blah blah blah.
Say
No,
what
just
we're gonna
practice
say.
what
Say
you're
what we're
gonna
gonna
say.